Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. So this is my client's photo shoot makeup, and I will be putting you through on how I achieve this dark skin flawless nude makeup. So if this is what you're interested in, kindly stick around and watch to the end. And to my old subscribers, you guys are highly welcome to a new beauty tutorial. So this is my client before she came to the studio with her microbladed eyebrow and already made eyelashes, and so I have to carve her brows and then thoroughly cleaned her face with micellar water to remove dirt and oil. And next thing I'm doing here is to apply my moisturizer all over the face. So this skin prep, I am using my bare hands to do the skin prep. Yes, you must not use brushes for everything when doing a makeup. And also I washed my hands thoroughly. Take note, I washed my hands thoroughly so that I don't contaminate the already cleaned face. You understand? So if you must use your bare hands to do your skin prep, make sure you wash your hands very well so that after cleaning the face, you don't have to contaminate the skin using your dirty hands. So you must wash your hand to keep the skin prep hygienic. So skin prep is a very essential step in achieving a flawless makeup. It serves as a base for your makeup to last longer. So you must clean the face thoroughly with either a face wipe or micellar water, and then allow it to dry. Then apply your toner on the moisturizer, then your lip balm. As you can see, I have just applied her lip balm, and after that I will be applying her primer. So right here I am applying her foundation. I missed my Avour 35 V Beauty Avour 35 shade of B Beauty foundation, and also a chocolate pie. I mix them together, and then I first of all use my flat brush to spread it on the face, and then use my damp beauty sponge to blend it into the skin. So when applying your foundation, you have to match the skin properly. So I did my cheek contour and my highlight and blush off camera because of one or two, and right here I am doing my nose contour. So for my contours, I use a 2 shade darker foundation for my cheek contour and my nose contour. So you can see the nose contour here. Sorry, I use my flat brush to do my nose contour in a Y form, starting from where the brows begin, and then blend that in and spread the face to fit the makeup as I am doing here. So after fixing the makeup, I will let it sink in, I will let it dry first, and then go over to baking the face. So to bake, I am using the same beauty sponge I use in blending those creamy products in, and then I'm using a powder, compact powder, to press in onto the skin where I have highlighted those highlighted areas. As you can see, I am pressing that place in using my beauty sponge. So it is very essential you use a powder shade that matches those highlighted areas to bake your bake the face. And then after that, you can now use the powder that matches the skin to bake the rest of the face and the contour area. So while doing this, you don't have to pack so much product onto the skin. Just blend light-handedly, damp it into the skin so that it will dry and soak up the creasing from those cream products you have applied. So I did my third live video session and chit chats with my subscribers yesterday, being Sunday, and a lot of people joined. Thank you so much. Thank you, my 1K followers. I really appreciate you guys, are the best. So after I baked the rest of the face, don't forget also that I will also bake the nose contour, because the rule of makeup states that every liquid must be dry. So the nose contour is part of the liquid product I applied. So you must do this. If you don't want to do this, just do powder contour. So after that, I did my reverse contour, which is what I'm doing here, and set properly. So I use setting powder that matches the highlighted areas to do my reverse contour and to make the under eye pop out well, especially because I have not done her eyeshadow look. So I have to apply a little bit of excess setting powder under the eye, so that any fallout from the setting powder, the eyeshadow will fall down on the setting powder instead of directly on the skin. So I also do my cheek reverse contour, lifting or accentuating the nose and the lift and the cheek. That is what reverse contour is all about. Then a little bit on the smile areas. After that, I arrange the brows using my schoolie brush, and then I am outlining the brows now with my gel liner. For this gel liner, I mixed the black Million Pauline and brown Million Pauline gel liner together to get her skin. And then after outlining the brows, I filled and then brushed through to give it that natural look. Right now, I am applying the eyeshadow base onto her eyelid, and I'm using one of my eyeshadow blending brush to blend that into the eyelid, and then use my finger to support for a smoother result. So if you're applying your eyeshadow base, make sure you apply all through the eyelid, and then make sure you blend very well to avoid demarcation and creasing. Then once that is done, next thing I'll be doing is to apply, because I want to achieve a very nude eye look. That is what my client wants. I will not be using my eyeshadow palette for this, so I'll just have to use a powder shade that will give me the nude effect I want. So I use a lighter nude powder on her crease and a soft brown on her transition area. After that, I blend that in seamlessly, leaving no harsh line. And then right here, I am filling her waterline using my black Million Pauline gel liner. And after that, I will use the same Million Pauline gel liner to line her lid and to wing it out. And then after that, I will conceal the brows I outlined earlier. For the brow concealing, I will be using my 2-shade lighter Spotless Pro concealer, the same shade I used in highlighting her makeup earlier. I will use it to also highlight the brows and define it very well. Brow concealing is very important because it will help you redefine the brows and also hide blemishes or correct mistakes, any mistake you made when you were drawing the brows. So that is why it is very important that you conceal your brows. So I use that same pro concealer I used earlier in highlighting the face to highlight the arc areas of the brows, and then I use my blending brush to blend that in. Some people do their brows outlining and concealing at the same time before going over to their eye look. Some people do their eye look first. Some people do brows first makeup, while others just do what works for you. I did this because my client was in a hurry. So after concealing the brows, this is how the makeup is looking. Next, I dust off using my Becham edgeless powder that matches her skin and her highlighted areas. I dust off the lip, and right here I'm outlining the lip. So for the lip, I am going in with my brown gel liner. The same mixture I use for her brows actually is what I'm using to outline her upper lip. Then after that, I will use my Avour 33 lip stain coffee shade to outline the lower lip. Once that is done, I will use my concealer because she wants a very soft nude makeup. So I will use my concealer to highlight the lip and blend that in, and also use a soft powder too to bake that lip highlight to give it that nude effect. So working on a dark skin person is not always easy. You have to be very creative, and your mind has to be on what you are doing to be able to get both their skin shade and their especially in this situation, my client was very precise about the look she wanted, so she showed it to me from the phone and I gave her what she ordered versus what she got. So right here I'm applying mascara on her lower lash. I also used the mascara to also apply on the first lash she had on before the makeup, because my eyeshadow powder from the eyeshadow must have fallen on them. So after that, I will be doing my finishing. For the finishing, I'm using my Becham compact powder to dust off the remaining setting powders on the face, and then I will spread the face to let everything sink in, and then let all the products marry themselves together. So for the products I use, I'll be listing them on the description box, so do well to check them out. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me what you think about this glam so far. What do you like most about the makeup? Is it the skin match? Is it that the skin is skinning? Is it the eyebrows? Is it the eye look? Is it the lip? Just let me know what you think about this glam. Would you be trying it? Don't forget, this is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. I deal with everything beauty, makeup, fixing of lashes, bridal hairstyling, nails, pedicure, manicure, etc. Just name it all. So for me, the look is giving. It 8 and left no crumb. The look is 10 over 10 for me. Guys, like I always say, do not forget to let me know in the comment section any look you want me to create. Is it brows that you're having difficulties with? Let me know. Is it lip application? Is it skin work? Just comment it and I will come through with it, guys. Trust me to always deliver. So right here, I just spread the face and allow it to sink in, and I use my hand fan to speed the drying process, and after that I use my powder brush to touch some areas and apply my glow. This is me applying the glow on the tip of the nose, and then dust off excess glow so that the look will be flawless. And after that, I blend and blend, making sure that I am not leaving any harsh line or demarcation anywhere. That is very vital. So you can see this look is giving already, and after that I spread, and voila, this is the final look, guys. What do you think about this makeup? To me, my client ate and left no crumb. And by the way, the hairstyle she's carrying, I made her hair, I made her nails, and now the makeup. So I am your all-round beauty plug. Priceless Clean Makeover is located in Aba, Abia State. So if you are anywhere close to Aba, just holla at your girl. I will come through with everything beauty. I dey deliver like Hebrew women. So guys, thank you all for watching. Would you be trying this look? Let me know. What do you think about the hairstyle? Is it fine? She wanted this, and I use, this is a kinky packing gel updo. So she will be going for her photo shoot now, and I think she is ready. She is a beautiful woman. Thank you, my clients. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you, my viewers. Thank you, everyone. I am really happy for how far we have come. We are 1K stronger. Hey! Please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to share so that this video will get to a wider audience. So let's get to 2K followers. Bye. I love you.